In this video, I'll show you how to get a Calendly API key. Alright, so here we are on Calendly, and what you want to do is click on Integration and Apps. Then what we want to do is, if you don't have API and webhooks over here, just search API and it should pop up. Click on it. Then we want to click on Get a Token Now. If you already have one, you'll have a Generate Token option. Alright, now you can read the warning, and when you're done, just hit Continue. Then you need to name your token. And when you're done there, just hit Create Token. Now they're going to send a verification code to your email address that's linked. So check your mail and type in the verification code. Alright, so here's our API key. Now what we want to do is copy this, because once we close this, we won't get the key again. So paste it on a notepad, save it on a cloud storage, wherever. And when you're done, just hit close. And there you go. You have now created your API key. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.